Hello! In this video I will show you how to draw a chili pepper. First I will tell you everything in detail on graphic tablet and then I will repeat the whole process on paper. First I'm circling the objects I'm going to draw and I show them separately. I show in details the shape of papers and leaves in black color. The tips of chili are small. Closer to base, they become larger. I also add lines that show where the border between light and shadow will be. Then I draw leaves. I draw a center line and add wings. So it's clear to me which way the leaves are directed, and then I won't have any question when I use the color. I show all leaves in front and the back positions. Remove not necessary parts. Next, I will show you how I will use the color. The first step is to fill the leaves with green. I use the same technique and steps in watercolor too. The second layer is dark green. I show shadows on the leaves and under them. I draw the light part of chili in orange. I leave the clear spots white. The second layer for chili, I add red to the places of shadows. And now I'm ready to turn to drawing on paper. Gently and subtly, I do the first sketch. I put all objects on their places. And when I'm happy with composition, I circle exactly every object. What I don't like, I change or delete. I always draw a central line of leaves and wings to then know the direction of the leaves. My drawing is different from the previous one drawn on a tablet, but since this is sketching, not realism, I'm calm. I always try to give me some freedom when I draw something. Also, it's a very good way to get more creativity. And with watercolor, I repeat all steps what I showed you before in graphic tablet. So first I mix yellow and green and fill all the leaves with this color. Try to be fast and not really accurate. I draw chili in orange and leave white places where there will be a glare. While the layer is wet, I put red color to chili. I add darker green shadows to the leaves. In the front leaves, I show more lines and veins. I put more blue in mix of my green and put another layer of dark green in leaves. I put second layer of chili in dark red. With clear wet brush, I make border between colors more softer. With dark green I draw streaks and try to separate every leaves from another. A couple more drops of red for chili for contrast. That's the result I got. Here I show my sketch on paper next to the original photo and my drawing on graphic tablet. Thank you for watching my videos.